Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Excel. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Excel workbook. Having opened up your Excel workbook, next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, and then you have to do is to go to Account. Having clicked on Account, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to Office theme. Simply click on here. You have variety color, so you can switch to dark gray just like so, or better still, you can simply switch to black, and this is give you 100% dark mode. It's as simple as that. You can also switch back to system editing, or better still, switch to white. Everything depends on the kind of color you want to choose, but in this tutorial I'm simply take it into dark mode. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Excel. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.